So I'm visiting family who just bought a house. And although it's not mine, who's going to tell me it ain't? Therefore, you know what's coming next. I'm going to be doing some makeovers. But first, we must start with a clean slate. Also, this kind of helps me understand a little bit more how a space is used, which is essential to any makeover. Like, don't just put stuff in because it looks pretty. You add what fits into your lifestyle. So obviously, we need a bar soap holder. And preferably a cuter solution to the hand towel dispenser, but we'll see if I win that argument. Still, they did an excellent job renovating the bathroom because this is not how it originally looked. The new shower is beautiful and the floors are a definite improvement. And by the way, all of the fixtures are budget friendly, so I'll see if I can get links to everything and then put that in the description down below if you're looking for a little upgrade. Speaking of links, if you're wondering, chat, where's your website? Girl, me too. I've been asking myself, what is it that you're finding so challenging about this? Like, Squarespace could not make it easier for you. You got templates. All you have to do is add in the copy, which is difficult for me at times because I can barely finish a sentence, let alone write a paragraph. So I've come to the realization that if I'm struggling this hard, then maybe now is just not the time. But what I do have time for is my bio site. So that I have updated if you're looking for pretty much anything that I own. I still think it's one of the best ways to connect your entire online presence, all of your socials, website, storefront, everything together. It can become a landing page for anything that you want to share, no matter what kind of creator you are, whether it's art, music, blog. And if you want feedback, you can track insights and analytics right on your phone through the app. Head to squarespace.com/abetweene or just use my code abetweene for 10% off your first purchase.